Do you need to top up your Taiwan Star, T Star or Vibo One SIM card, but you do not know how to do so? Well, this tutorial will give you a step-by-step guide on how to top up your Taiwan Star SIM card. So let's just get started with it. Hi, it's Audio from Phone to this, where we talk about everything related to traveling with your phone or SIM cards in general, like this tutorial on how to top up your Taiwan Star SIM card or T Star or Vibo One. I do not know why they have so many names, but hey, that's the case. So there are actually two ways to top up your T Star SIM card. One, you can go to a T Star store and just tell them that I need this much credit, this much data, and I will top it up for you. Or two, which is the preferred method, is you go to the local 7-Eleven and you use the Ibon Machine. The issue with the second option is that the Ibon Machine is primarily in Chinese traditional characters, meaning that if you do not speak Chinese, then topping up might be a challenge. So let's just go to an Ibon Machine and I will show you steps on how to get yourself a reload voucher. So here are some instructions to top up your Taiwan Star, T Star or Vibo One SIM card. Well, the first thing you want to do is press this button, or if you see something else with the X on there, just click on the X because that's just advertisements. Then you click on this one, then you press this button, it says telecommunication services. You press that one. Well, then you look for the T Star logo, in this case it's purple. Then you have prepaid here. Some other operators, they have other options, but this is prepaid only, so you press this one. Then you press on agree. Well, then you get your data options. For example, for 100 Taiwanese dollar, you will get unlimited data for 1 day, and then that means for 24 hours. Or you can get 1 gigabyte of data, which will be valid for, I don't know on top of my head how many days. 300 NTD in credit for standard rates, 500 all the way down. Well, let's say if you want unlimited data for 30 days for 700 Taiwanese dollar, you press the X button, you press continue, you confirm that this is correct, then you press yes. Then the machine will print this receipt. Now you have to wait a while because these machines are slow. And then you get a receipt like this. This you show to the 7-Eleven salesperson, and then you get your actual top-up voucher with the instructions on how to top up. So that's how you get a recharge voucher at 7-Eleven with the Ibon Machine. So that's it. It's quite straightforward, at least if you know what you're doing. But if you do not know what you're doing, then well, it can be a challenge which I can't blame you for. I need to give you a heads up for those who got themselves the T Star or the Taiwan card at Taiwan International Airport, that this SIM card has a validity. Let's say if you buy a SIM card that should expire in 7 days, but you actually decided to stay in Taiwan for 10 days, then after the 7 days that the SIM card has been activated, the SIM card will stop. Even if you buy an internet package after 5 days or after the 7 days, the SIM card will expire after the set amount of hours. So in that case, you would be required to get yourself another SIM card. So once again, I'm Audio from Phone Travelers, where I talk about everything related to traveling with your phone or SIM cards in general. And if you're considering getting yourself a Taiwanese SIM card or a different Taiwanese SIM card, then you might want to watch this comparison video up there. I've done extensive tests and reviews of the 5 Taiwanese operators plus Ibon Mobile, which is an MVNO using the Far Eastern network. Or if you want to see individual reviews of the Taiwanese operators, there's also a playlist up there, and that's where you can select the best SIM card for your needs. If you thought this video was helpful, make sure to click the like button and also subscribe to this channel. That's it for today, and also see you in the next one. Bye bye.